Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that are beneficial to health, for disease prevention, strengthening the immune system, protecting cells from damage and inflammation, and providing a delicious source of antioxidants. They provide a nutrient powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. 1. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate's antioxidants, including polyphenols like flavonoids, may help prevent heart attacks by protecting arteries from becoming clogged. Some studies indicate that consuming small amounts of dark, at least 70% cacao, chocolate on a regular basis can lower blood pressure and decrease the rate of stroke in women by 20%. Dark chocolate may also protect brain health and boost memory. 2. Blueberries. Like apples, blueberries are high in soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol and slow the uptake of glucose, helping you maintain healthy blood sugar levels. But there's much more packed inside those blue skins. Vitamin C and K are the major players, as are antioxidants and the mineral manganese. Blueberries also appear to blood pressure, and their anthocyanins, which give the berries their color, may promote brain health and aid memory. 3. Apples. Apples contain soluble fiber, which may help lower cholesterol and slow the uptake of glucose, helping you maintain healthy blood sugar levels. They're also a super source of blood pressure. Beneficial potassium and antioxidants like vitamin C. Apples may lower your risk of cancer, heart disease, and asthma, while aiding lung function and weight loss. 4. Asparagus. Asparagus is high in lycopene, which has been found to protect the prostate and help reduce the risk of prostate cancer. In addition to lycopene, asparagus contains vitamin A, important for the immune system and eye health, and lots of fiber to help reduce cholesterol, control body weight, and encourage heart health. Asparagus's fiber also contains prebiotics, which promotes healthy gut bacteria. Asparagus also contains protein and iron, something you may not expect from these thin green spears. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli has been the butt of jokes for years, but you'd be foolish not to eat it. It's high in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins such as A, C, B9, folate, and K. That means your eyes, red blood cells, immune system, bones, and tissues all benefit from this vegetable. Broccoli may also aid in the fight against certain cancers, including liver, breast, prostate, and colon cancers. 6. Coffee. The National Institutes of Health AARP Diet and Health Study found that people who drank coffee, regular or decaf, were less likely to die from heart and respiratory diseases, stroke, injuries and accidents, diabetes, and infections. Coffee may also help protect women from breast cancer. Coffee may also protect against other cancers. Just don't drink it too hot. Very hot beverages recently have been linked to a higher risk of esophageal cancer. Other research found that those who drank 2 cups or less of coffee a day in their 40s and 50s had a 65% lower rate of developing Alzheimer's than those who drank 2 cups a day. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains fewer carbohydrates, less sugar and salt, and more protein and digestive-friendly probiotics than American-style yogurt. A serving of low-fat or non-fat Greek yogurt may have twice the protein and half the sugar of its non-Greek counterpart. If you opt for full-fat versions, however, Greek yogurt has more saturated fat. 8. Oatmeal. Oatmeal's top benefit comes from its high soluble fiber content, which helps lower cholesterol. A compound in oatmeal helps scrub the arteries and may protect against colon cancer. Oatmeal also satisfies hunger, so you eat less later, a recipe for weight loss. Oatmeal is low-fat, high in protein, and loaded with iron and other minerals. 1 cup of cooked oatmeal is only 166 calories. But don't forget, adding sugar or eating instant oatmeal with sugar bumps the calorie count. 9. Olive oil. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fat, which lowers cholesterol levels, thus decreasing the risk of heart disease. This type of fat may help prevent diabetes by regulating insulin levels and improving the control of blood sugar. Olive oil also contains vitamin K, which aids blood clotting, and vitamin E, an antioxidant important in the creation of red blood cells. It appears to reduce arthritis inflammation as well. But go easy, it's high in calories. 10. Pears. Pears may help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, lowering diabetes risk and helping to manage the disease in its early stages. Pears may also lower your risk of stroke and improve gut health. The fiber in pears fills you up, so you tend to eat less, and this may reduce the risk of colon cancer. The fruit is nutrient and mineral rich, providing vitamin C, folate, antioxidants, and potassium.